Yeah. Okay. Last story.
Last story. This is yours, Will.
Yeah.
You
we
want to take it
couldn't see
away?
Not really. You told me to grab like a Reddit
No,
story,
I didn't.
and I have
didn't-
no idea.
Okay, well, I want to see it. You wouldn't play it.
Yeah,
earlier.
But
you
I'll
selected this
maybe
one.
give you a little bit of context from what I know.
Okay.
What you see here is just the thumbnail of someone dipping their toes in a lake of complete red.
A lake of complete red,
Yes.
meaning water.
And yes, it's a beach. Actually, it's a beach in Iran. And
You're supposed to say Iran. Somebody did that to me
Iran.
last time.
okay, Iran.
No,
Um,
Iran.
Is it Iran?
Iran, I guess. I don't know.
Okay. Well, in Iran.
What was the thing I said the other day that just
What?
set you off hugely? My pronunciation? The Korean dish? You
For the ad?
You loved it.
Yeah. The way that you said it,
What was it though? I can't remember.
bibimbap.
Bibimbap. And I said bibimbap or something. Boom bap.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, I said boom bap. Boom bap.
Yeah. I left it in.
Did you?
I did. Yeah.
See, I told you, man, you're getting good at that stuff.
Mhm.
Look at other people are doing their own pronunciation. They say it's Aaron.
Oh, Ron. Isn't that a?
It's a Key and Peele joke.
Yeah, it's a Key and Peele joke.
Look, somebody said Iran. And then someone said Iran.
With the emoji of the
I
eye.
don't know.
Um,
I'll stick
Boom
to
bap.
the bibimbap.
this piqued
Boom
my
bap.
attention.
Okay, go ahead, Will. I apologize, man.
Because
I'm gonna push the microphone.
Okay, this piqued my attention because I saw a similar article that had the red lake. I think it was in Italy
Okay.
right now. Like it's happening, and it's because there's a certain type of algae within the lake that's creating this red
Oh wow.
water. So I'm just gonna play the clip here.
Okay.
So the sand is also red.
Oh my God. Yeah.
And the water is, I mean, it's murky, but it's very red.
Yeah, it's a little bit more orange.
Yeah.
It's weird that it's
And very
black.
vibrant.
It's black, but then when a section gets dug out, then the redness and the red water fills it.
You mean the sand?
Yeah, the sand is like
Yeah.
a deep, like a
It's a
dark
deep
black.
Yeah.
Yeah. I could be completely wrong here and say that it's algae when it really isn't. But
Well, I
that's what-
believe you because I watched. I was watching David Attenborough's one of his documentaries, and he did a piece on algae and how once in certain times of the year you can see it from space. Like certain parts of the ocean will
Yes.
just turn green,
yeah.
right? So if they're turning red, I believe it.
You know, the top comment's going to help us here. The top comment
Yeah.
is for sure going to tell us what's going on. Characteristic reddish hue of sand in Hormuz Island is due to high concentration of iron oxide. In places where the sand is redder, the waves in the sea become tinged with red or pink. This sand has been used for decades in the industry of dyeing, cosmetics, glass, and ceramics.
Oh, so
Iron.
maybe it wasn't algae.
Neat.
There you go. Top comment. Reddit. Every time. Knock
Problem
it
solved.
out. Knock it
I was
out.
just making it up.
Will's like, there are microorganisms and
Yeah.
birds.
I talk like Attenborough.
Yeah. And the birds in the winds of the southern coast that inflict changes to the region. It's like, actually, it's iron deposits.
Yeah.
Will's like, exactly. As I said, iron deposits. As I said.
I just clap.
Oh, man. There you have it. Thank you to everybody who joined here today. Thank you to Mo for returning after his personal maintenance, as he described it.
Yeah.
Thank you to Will for purchasing a gas vehicle in 2022.
Winnie do.
Thank you to Elon for saving Twitter. Don't ask people at Twitter about that.
Yeah.
Thank you to the Academy for banning Will Smith for a decade.
All right, that's it.
Thank you to the stop motion guy, Lee Hardcastle. Thank you to Lee Hardcastle. That is a hard name. And thank you to all the dogs around the world.
Yeah.
Leaving dog tacos in the bathroom, but only with their owners.
Right.
And
Nobody else.
and nobody else. Thank you for all the super chats, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for this week. We're going to see you real soon. Seriously. Thank you.